Charity Simmons, PSP fitness instructor from Cold Lake Air Base. Today I made some fresh avocado and bean lettuce wraps. You can use whatever kind of bean you want. I use red bean today. You can use black bean, refried bean, white bean, whatever you want. I rinse them and drain them and then mash them up. This is one of my favorite mashers for that. This also works really nice for ground meat. So mash it up, you can heat that up, or I'm gonna eat it cold today. Then I added some garlic to it, adding some red pepper. I also soaked my sun-dried tomatoes for about 3 minutes in boiling water, just to soften them up a little bit. And I'm gonna add that to it, chop them up and throw that in there. I'm gonna add some pepper. I'm not gonna add any salt today just because I did add there's enough salt in the beans. Even though I did drain them or rinse them and drain them, I still feel there's probably enough salt in there. I also added a little bit of apple cider. I am going to stir that up. You could put this on any kind of wrap you like. I'm doing lettuce wraps today. So a little scoop or so on your wrap, and you could top it with avocado and some carrots. Some cheese on there would be kind of nice. Anyway, too delicious, very easy. Like I said, you could eat it cold like I'm doing today, or warm it up before you put it in the lettuce wrap. Have a good one, guys. Take care. 5 out of 5. Bye.